In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reverse a video using Clipchamp in just a few simple steps. Whether you're adding a creative twist to your content or experimenting with new techniques, Clipchamp makes the process straightforward and accessible. First, open your web browser and navigate to clipchamp.com. If you prefer, you can also access Clipchamp through the Microsoft app on your computer. Once you're on their website or app, the next step is to log in. Click on the sign in button and you'll see an option to continue with Microsoft. Go ahead and select that option. You may need to choose your Microsoft account as well in order to proceed. Once you're logged into Clipchamp, you'll find yourself on the home screen. From here, look for the create a new video option. Clicking this will open up the video editor interface where the magic happens. With this blank canvas in front of you, it's time to bring in the video you want to reverse. You can do this by selecting the import media button. This allows you to choose the file from your computer and upload it directly into Clipchamp. Alternatively, you can simply drag and drop the video file into the editor. After your video is successfully in the editor, you'll want to place it onto the timeline. The timeline is where you make all your edits. Having the video on the timeline is essential for making any changes, including reversing it. Now you'll be focusing on the fun part, reversing the video. To get started, consider whether you want to reverse the entire video or just a specific segment. If it's the latter, you might find it beneficial to cut the video into shorter segments. Doing this gives you more control over which parts are reversed and which remain in their original state. With your clips segmented as desired, place them in the order you want them to play in reverse. By rearranging them on the timeline in the reverse order of how they appear, you can manually create a reversed video sequence. This is where creativity comes in, allowing you to experiment with different arrangements until you achieve the perfect effect. Once you've finished rearranging the clips, preview the video to ensure it meets your expectations. Take a look and make any adjustments if needed. When you're happy with the result, clip it all into one single segment and your reversed video is ready to be exported and shared with the world. Congratulations, you've successfully reversed a video using Clipchamp. That's all for today's tutorial.